Well, welcome back, DIY car guys and car girls. And as you can see, I'm already sweating. It's hot. And I was thinking to myself as I was bolting up the headers and putting a new gaskets on there, why should I not start this up to compare open headers for side exhaust with just little resonators, and then when I get this done next couple of days with the full exhaust, we can compare all three. But I guess a good little video for today can be super short, but let's see how this thing sounds with open headers. I want to hear it. Do you want to hear it? I'm going to get some hair protection on, so that's what we're doing today. So all I've done since, wait, hold on. Man, click it one more time. There we go. That little strobe effect. It's funny, like if you click it twice where it won't strobe on camera, then after a while it goes back to the dimmer setting, I guess, depending on the charge. But anyways, so all I did since my last video was just bolt these headers up, put the gasket on there. I had to pour them out just a tiny bit on the sides in the middle. That's about it, and they bolt on. Everything's pretty darn easy. Put the plugs back on there. So that has the only thing that has changed on this guy. Haven't done much because it's been raining a whole bunch and I haven't really had time to do it anyways. But I got some time today, and here we go. I got some legit hearing protection, so I'm gonna put these guys on right here and start it up, and let's see how stupid obnoxious it is today. My goodness, it's hot. All right, here we go. So let's try these guys out. I've used them before and work around shooting big guns, or artillery more to be precise. All right, we're good. So I can hear myself and not go deaf what's going on around the car, or truck that is. Let's get to it. And here we go. All right, so that's it for today, guys. I better stop before my neighbors start stoning me with rocks. Peace out. Keep on wrenching.